Apply on your toes and bunions and massaging your feet. After some time, feel your bunions pain gone. A bunion is a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of your big toe. It occurs when some of the bones in the front part of your foot move out of place. This occurs the tip of your big toe to get pulled towards the smaller toes and force the joint as the base of your big toe to stick out. Some medical professionals say that it's caused by long-term use of shoes, especially the tight-fitting ones with pointed toes. Others say it's caused by genetic factors worsened by wearing tight-fitting shoes for extended periods of time. Let's start our home remedy for bunions. First ingredient is Eucalyptus radiator essential oil. Eucalyptus oil raises joint pain. In fact, many popular over-the-counter creams and ointments used to soothe the harm from conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis contains the essential oil. Eucalyptus oil helps to reduce pain and inflammation associated with many conditions. It may also be helpful to people experiencing back pain or those recovering from a joint or muscle injury. So now we put 1 part of Eucalyptus radiator essential oil in a bowl or in a cup. Second ingredient is lemon essential oil. Fragrant essential oil is lemon peels help relax blood vessels and produce an anti-inflammatory effect, making them useful for joint and nerve pain. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin and minerals such as vitamin C, A, B1, B6, magnesium, bioflavonoid, folic acid, phosphorus, calcium and potassium. Lemon peels help in improving bone health. The high amount of calcium and vitamin C help in maintaining and improving the health of bones and prevent bones-related diseases like osteoporosis, arthritis and inflammatory polyarthritis. So now we take 1 part of lemon essential oil in the cup in which we take first ingredient. Third and last ingredient of our home remedy is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect on sore, achy muscle. It has an analgesic, antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint oil is used to relax the muscle pain because peppermint have cooling effect on the muscle and reduce the pain of muscle. So in the last we take 1 part of peppermint essential oil in the cup. And in the last we mix all the oils in the cup. Now apply on your toes and bunions and massaging your foot. You feel after some time the pain of your toes gone. Apply this oil 3 to 4 times in day. After few weeks we see the result of this essential oil. Thank you for coming here. If you have any question about this, so tell us in the comment section below. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.